In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Namecheap username. Whether you're new to Namecheap or have simply forgotten where to locate this vital piece of information, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in and make this process as simple as possible. To start, you'll need to open your web browser, head over to the Namecheap website by typing namecheap.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. It's a good idea to make sure your internet connection is stable, as this will ensure a smooth and efficient experience. Once you've arrived at the Namecheap homepage, the next step is to log in using your credentials. You'll find the login button typically located in the upper corner of the page. Just click on it and enter your email address and password to gain access to your account. Make sure to double check your inputs, as incorrect login details will prevent you from proceeding. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You should spot a Contact Us button. Beside this button, or somewhere in close proximity, you will see a logo resembling a person. It's in this area that your username is displayed. Sometimes it can be easy to miss, so take a moment to scan the area thoroughly. Now, the next thing you want to do is click on your username. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu which not only shows your username but also provides additional options related to your account. This is a handy way to access various settings and features tied to your Namecheap profile. Once you see your username, keep in mind that it must be a single word without any hyphens, special characters or spaces. Namecheap usernames have a specific format. They are designed to be straightforward and easy to remember. The only characters they can include are numbers and Latin alphabet letters. So if you're creating a new account or updating your details, ensure that your selected username follows these guidelines. Lastly, here's an important note to keep in mind. Once you've chosen your Namecheap username, it cannot be changed later. That's right, it's permanent. So take your time to thoughtfully pick a name that you can stick with in the long run. And that's it, you've now successfully located your Namecheap username. By following these steps, you can easily find or confirm your username whenever needed. If you have any further questions or need extra assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Namecheap's customer support for help. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.